Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha.
Great attack at the end.
Just throw it. Just shows how tough Matos is. When you get caught when you're throwing like that, very usually you're gone. Oh, great shot.
And the referee's seen enough. He doesn't want to see any more. Too many unanswered headshots going in.
hand in his concentration. He has going to be the most difficult problem.
So
Really is.
hugely popular.
And he actually handed his belt.
I think having a look at who's who, making him.
Yeah, I thought it was a good round for Edwards. He boxed very well on the back foot, and here
Sure you win them. Straight on defence and get away. To use a little, knows what it takes to
at this stage, Umtalani, Sonny Edwards, that should be
buy. And 100% you have the chance of Edwards down. And that
have problems when
in the technique of that. The 12 rounds, almost certainly. There's the left hand from Umtalani. But is he still going to be able to do that? Umtalani compact a lot, but he doesn't land a lot. Nobly is getting closer. Having big rounds, he knows the score. He knows that those rounds.
they were more pleased with his work. For me.
We've heard him talking recently about just.
And he's doing it. I think Bomber Graham would be proud of his performance.
And new IBF Flyweight.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.